Okay, students, good morning. Today we are going to see computer science book bag revision. Okay, so revision 1. In revision 1 we are going to see the 1 marks. See, your question paper will be of 1 marks and 2 marks alone, that's all. Okay, 1 mark is for 30, you will have 31 marks, so 30 into 1 is equal to 30 marks. Okay, and you will have 10 2 marks, 10 into 2 is equal to 20, so total question paper mark is 50. Other subject you will be writing for 40, in computer alone you will be writing for 50 mark. Okay, so what is that? You will be reading for reading 1 mark and 2 mark. Now we will be revising 1 mark and 2 mark. Okay, first we will see the 1 mark of chapter 1 and 2 alone in this revision. In next revision we will see the 2 mark of chapter 1 and 2. Okay, now we are going to see, 1 mark of chapter 1 and 2. Okay, we will see. Okay, the PC is first one, first unit book back 1 mark. Okay, take it. The PCs of today are based on what? It is obvious, microprocessor. Each and every personal computers are based on microprocessor only. The computer are built. Okay, which one of these is a logic function? We know very well that greater symbol sign is given. No, that proves the logic symbol. Okay. So option B, 4 greater than 2. Okay. Next, letter in an office is normally pre-printed in. It is a thing that whenever in office, if they type the letter, normally it will be printed in 300 dpi. Okay, what? Option B, 300 dpi. Okay, which of these is not an application software? Fortran is not application software. Okay, Fortran is not an application software because it is language. Like C++, it is language, programming language. It is not application software. But other things are application. Photoshop, PowerPoint, Dreamweaver, all these are applications. Okay, so Fortran is not an application software. Here the spelling they have given wrong. Actual spelling of Fortran is Fortran, Fortran. Okay, Fortran. The actual spelling is Fortran. Okay. Next one. In binary system, 01000001 represents letter A. Okay, this binary digit represent letter A. These things we saw now already. How to convert binary to decimal to binary, all those things we saw now. That is what the concept. Okay, so what this binary system represents letter A. Okay. Next, fill in the blanks. The number system used for codes in digital computer is dash. Binary number system. What number system is used to code in digital computer? It is binary number system. Digital computers are coded with zeros and ones only, right? So binary number system. An 8-bit unit used to code digital data is called 1 byte. A 8-bit means 0 1 0 0 0 1 1 1 0 something. If 8 combination of bits forms what? 1 byte. Okay, 8-bit combinedly formed 1 byte. Okay, so and the second one, the 8-bit unit used to code digital data is called byte. Okay, the unit normally used to measure computer clock speed. Computer speed. Clock speed means don't think this clock. That is the microprocessor speed. Okay. Unit normally used to measure the speed of a computer is what? Million instruction per second. In a second, how many instruction the computer is reading? That is what the concept. So the answer is million, million, million instructions per second. Okay. Two main components of a computer. What are the two main components of a computer? What are the two main things in a computer? It is obvious, hardware and software. Okay, next one. In the CPU, mathematical calculations are carried out in the dash unit. In CPU, mathematical calculations are carried out in dash unit. Yeah, arithmetic and logical unit. There only mathematical calculations are carried out. Okay. The language dash was developed for commercial programming and dash language for scientific programming. COBOL and Fortran. COBOL is actually developed for commercial programming. Okay, business related things. Okay, but Fortran is built for scientific work. If you want to find some research or do something for scientific research, Fortran is used. Okay. In the decimal system, in decimal number system, Okay, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. We know that very well. But in binary number system, 1 plus 1 is equal to 1 0. Don't say it as 10. In last class also it told no. It is 1 0. Okay, okay. Next, a dash printer prints out a full page at a time. Laser printer. We saw the laser printer in our school that types the whole full page at a time. Okay, so the answer is laser. LASER. Total number of unique digit in hexadecimal number system is 16. Okay, hexadecimal means it is actually 16. Okay, so the 16 numbers will be there in a system. Okay, hexadecimal system. Okay, okay. Next, state whether true or false. The secondary storage of a computer is part of CPU. Is the secondary storage part of CPU? The answer is true because hard disk is a part of CPU. Okay. Inside the CPU only hard disk will be there. Machine language is the easiest to learn from programming computer language. Is machine language easy or computer programming language easy? In programming language, you will give these English words. In machine language, what how you should have given the input. You will give us zeros and ones. So it is no use and it is not necessary. Okay, okay. The number 12 converted into the binary system is called 110. If you convert number 12, automatically number 12, will you get 110? 1110? No, the answer is false. Okay, okay. The answer will be like 1100 for 12. So this answer is false. Okay. Impact printers give better quality than non-impact printer. False. Non-impact printer will give higher quality than impact printers. Okay, okay. The 1200 dpi printer will give a sharp image as compared to 600 dpi printer. Yeah, if the DPI is large, automatically the print quality will be that large. So the answer is true. Okay. D in hexadecimal system is equivalent to 13 in decimal number system. The answer is true. Okay, okay. For 10 it is A, 11 it is B, 12 it is C. So 13 answer is D. The answer is correct. So the answer is true. Okay, okay. We'll go for next unit, students. Second unit book back. Okay, first one. If you enter the following in cell C5 in cell C5 of sheet 3 equal to sheet 1 G5, which of the following will happen? See, I have sent you a video now in YouTube. I hope you have studied, everyone have studied good. Okay, okay. This formula if you enter, automatically this answer will be done. Data in cell G5, the few data which are in the cell G5 of sheet 1 will get copied to cell C5 of sheet 3. So the answer is option C. Okay, okay. Next, which chart is best to show the proportion in which different parts make up a whole? Which chart is best to show the proportion? The answer is pie chart. Okay, the answer is pie chart. Okay. Next, which chart is used to compare data at equal interval of time? Which chart is used to compare data? Line chart. Okay, okay. The commands for sorting and filtering are present in which tab? Data tab. Okay, okay. State whether true or false. A workbook may have more than one worksheet. It is it really happens. You can have more than one worksheet. Answer is true. If it is not possible to copy a formula from one cell to another, no. Answer is false. You can easily copy formula from one cell to another. Okay. When a row is inserted between two rows, data shifts automatically. Answer is true. When a row is inserted between two rows, the rest of data shifts automatically. Answer is true. Okay, okay. Next, the purpose of coloring a cell is to highlight a cell. Yeah, we know that very well. Why we are coloring the cell? To highlight it. Data once entered cannot be rearranged. No, no. Answer is false. We can rearrange how many times we want. Okay, okay. Individual worksheets in workbook can only get default names as sheet 1, sheet 2, etc. Is that true? It will defaultly it will be sheet 1, sheet 2 only, but you can change it whenever you want. So the answer is false. That's all, students, for today's class. I hope everyone have understood. Nothing but you read the book back answer and go through 1 mark again and again. By next video class I will post 2 marks. Okay. Today homework is nothing but read chapter 1 and 2 1 marks and write self test. While writing self test, you sit with your parents and write. Okay, they will guide you. Okay, students, have a nice day. Take care. Bye. Self test you correct yourself, no issues. Okay, but send in group, send a photo in group alone. Okay, students, have a nice day. Bye. Take care.